welcome to my channel. My name is Sherry and I do sewing and embroidery. Today we are going to make a zipper pull for this little faux leather pouch, and it has the little Christmas tree on it. It's really cute. And then we're going to make zipper pulls for these white faux leather. So you got Santa, it's white with a red zipper. You have a cute little candy cane that is also white with a red zipper. And I've already got a Christmas tree that I purchased on Etsy. And we're going to do variegated on this. And then we're going to switch over and put solid silver stars on the tree. I think it should be really cute. So let's get this started. And yeah, thanks for joining me today. And away we go. So I already have my stabilizer in. We're going to do our tack down stitch. So if I didn't mention it before, you're going to need your embroidery machine, some faux leather, stabilizer, threads, and a design to make this little zipper pull. If you want to use this little Christmas tree, you'll have to purchase it off of Etsy, and I will leave the link down below. I'm going to pop this out so that you can see it up close. Isn't that a cute little tree? So turn it over. We are going to put basting spray on the back. We are going to put another piece of faux leather on the back, insert it back into our machine. And that completes our Christmas tree key fob. Well, it doesn't complete it. Stitching it does. So, here's our finished product. Isn't that so cute? Adorable. Alright, so we are going to... I'm going to get some more stabilizer, get rehooped so that I can start making the 2 Christmas trees for the other 2 white bags. And we'll just keep this going.
right, guys. So I finished up my other tree key fob, and I have them all cut out. So we have our green one with our red and white and our silver stars. We have our white faux leather green tree with the red stars. There's 2 of those. Super cute. And now we are going to talk turkey. So for this faux leather bag that I made here, that I embroidered this tree shape with that says joy, love, hugs, and friends. We are going to put onto this the hardware. Now let's talk hardware for just a second. So you can take a single key ring and you can thread the key ring through the little hole, and then you can attach your zipper pull on here. You don't have to have anything else than this. If you have a sewing machine, you can just stitch in the same color of thread. You can stitch in the same color of thread right across here, and you can put this on your zipper right here, and it would look fabulous. If you have snap tabs, you can add snap tabs to all of these, coordinating colors, or however you choose to do it. And you can use these little, I'm not sure what they're called, so I'm just going to call them doodly dads. You could take these little doodly dads, and same theory as the ring. You just thread them on, bring them into this part, and then you can add your snap tab or key fob, whichever one you want to call it, to this. And again, you can add a snap to it if you want, a cam snap. You can sew straight across. It doesn't matter. If you are making a gift for somebody, they are going to love it because you made it. If you are making them to put into like your Etsy shop or sell, then you want to add the snap. You want to make it look as professional as possible. So I'm going to put snaps on all these, and I am going to, especially for these 2, because these 2 are going to go onto my website, into my shop, my Etsy shop. All right. So I have all my cam snaps picked out. I'm going to do white on the white, and I'm going to do green on the green. The green I picked is because it matches the thread. Done. I finished the bags. I'm going to run through them really fast so that you can see them. First up, we have our red faux leather. It has the embroidered Christmas tree on it. It has small boxed corners so that it stands up. And you have a Christmas tree zipper pull on this. Super cute. They do have the claw clasp so that you can take it off and use it on your key ring if you want. Next up is our white faux leather Santa bag, and it has the matching key fob. It is a green Christmas tree with the red bulbs so that it kind of all coordinates. And lastly, you have your candy cane zipper bag with the same key fob, your green tree with the red bulbs. So cute. So easy to use, nice and soft inside, and there's so much room in there. You could fit so much stuff in there, and anybody would be really happy to get these for Christmas. So you can find these and more on my website, MadebyHuff.com, in my Etsy store. Subscribe if you have not done yet. And run over and smash that like button and give me a thumbs up.